Oh, hello. How are you, my friend? Happy New Year. I'm repairing the LCD. I'm fixing the new LCD because this LCD is bad. Happy New Year to you. Oh, I'm not making, I'm repairing. I'm fixing the new LCD. I'm fixing the new LCD. This is the new one.
When your screen is cracked, don't you despair. Rose Mobile's here, we'll fix it with care.
Happy New Year, everybody.
We'll make it bright. Your phone's as good as new, shining in the lights. At Rose Mobile, we got the skills, fixing your devices, it's how we thrill. From batteries to cameras, buttons to glass, we'll repair it all. Your phone will last. Drained, it just won't hold. We'll replace it quick like it's brand new gold. Charging ports loose, Wi-Fi out of tune. We'll have it fixed by this afternoon. At Rose Mobile, we got the skills, fixing your devices, it's how we thrill. From batteries to cameras, buttons to glass, we'll repair it all. Your phone will last. Got a battery drained, it just won't hold. We'll replace it quick like it's brand new gold.
Thank you, thank you. Happy New Year to you.
Fixed by this afternoon. At Rose Mobile, we got the skills, fixing your devices, it's how we thrill. From water damage to software blues, you bring the problem, we got the clues. Speakers to stall it or buttons won't play, we'll have it working by the end of the day. Cameras out of focus, so glass in a smash. Rose Mobile's the place to make your phone last. So if your phone's in trouble, don't wait, don't stall. Rose Mobile Repair, we'll fix it all. With expert hands, we'll make it right. Rose Mobile, your tech's shining light. When your screen is cracked, don't you despair. Rose Mobile's here, we'll fix it with care. Shattered or unresponsive, we'll make it bright. Your phone's as good as new, shining in the lights.